Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the where the major forex pair gonna work for you and this week. Okay guys, you can see that I will just extend it so you can see that exactly what happened, exactly taken resistance from here only and coming downside. So our probability is that what happening right now, it is consolidating. Once again it will came somewhere here, then you can expect your first target will be the somewhere here guys. This will be the your second target, this will be the third and fourth and fifth. Okay guys, up till you can go through in downside. Okay guys, if it will break and take somewhere here support, you can reach up till first target will be here guys, your second target, your third target and final fourth target. Okay guys, I will just slightly, okay guys, these are the four target in upside for euro versus JPY. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, in GBP versus Japanese yen, I will just extend these only. You can see that exactly taking support, and I will extend this too, so you can see that exactly here only taken resistance, exactly taken support. If you have seen here, W pattern is making, after this is crossing, you have to buy. You can see that one-sided momentum has been came. After that, consolidate, you have to stick with your analysis guys. Your SL will be, if you have entered somewhere here, your SL will be that this green candle low only. You can see that one-sided momentum has been came. After here only, you can see that the seller is there, so that's why you have to trade up till here. So no worries about it. I will just shift these only so we can get the proper idea. Just a second. Okay, let it be. I will create a new one. So you can see here, if it will consolidate somewhere here and after that broken down, then you can expect your first target will be a second target, up till third target you can reach out. Okay guys, in downside from upside, what happened is that you have to see that this line has to be crossed, or somewhere here only you have to buy, and you have to keep your SL at this point, and you can take your trade. Okay guys, here also the one of the major resistance area it will act, because you can say that first, second, three times it has been already tested. So better that you can go for downside only. Otherwise, if you wanted to really trade in this, then you have to what do is that you have to see that it has to cross on this, and this is the not the way we have to trade. But still, if you wanted here somewhere only, you have to take your SL, and here only you have to buy your upside momentum. You can go for first target, second target. After that it cross, and you can go for third and even fourth target too. Okay guys, we can see the next major forex, USD versus CAD. Okay guys, in USD versus CAD, this is the one of the major supporting areas is going on. So I will just let it be. So somewhere here only you can see here guys, what happened is that exactly this is acting as a supporting area, and this time it is acting as a one of the major resistance area. You can see here. Okay guys, so right now this is the major resistance area, it will act as that, and this will act as one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, I will just shift it. Okay, right now, so if it will once again this somewhere here only, I am seeing that this will be the like this, or you can take like this trend line. Okay guys, however you can see your trend line, how you can, it will be suitable for you. Okay guys, what happened, like this is the trend line. If consolidate somewhere here only, taken position, your SL will be the somewhere here guys, and your first target will be very easily here, second target, third target. After taken support, you can go for fourth and fifth target too. Okay guys, these are the some of the targets. Okay guys, in downside also, if it will take a resistance, you can go expect your first, second, third and even fourth target too guys. Okay guys, these are the target for USD versus CAD. We can see next GBP versus US dollar guys. In GBP versus US dollar guys, you can exactly see, I will just shift this. You can see here guys, exactly from here only, here false breakout has been happened. Okay guys, false breakdown, sorry guys, false breakdown has been happened. This here consolidation and whole consolidation only happening, so nothing is happened here at that week. This week you can see that exactly taken support and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, so what do I expect right now is that this will act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that right now it is at a good place. If once again it will came and test it, then you can expect your first target, second, third and even fourth target is. These are the four target in upside momentum, and in if it will came downside, your first target will be second target, after that taken resistance, third, and even you can go for fourth target too. Okay guys, we can see next major forex, euro versus US dollar guys. In euro versus US dollar, I have do nothing about it. I will just shift it down. You can see that exactly taken support and make an upside momentum. Okay guys, I will not do anything. I will just shift this only, so we can get a lot of time not been wasted. So that's why I will not remove these all, because of this reason only guys. Okay guys, somewhere here only it came downside. So okay guys, if in downside also we can expect that if it will came downside somewhere here only, take a resistance or first target, second and third. Okay guys, now also one thing I am saying is that here somewhere trend line is going on. Okay guys, like this. Okay guys, this is the one of the trend line. Okay, if you are so much interested, so you can take a small SL, and if this is crossing and taken support, then you can go for upside momentum guys. Keep your small stop loss only guys, do not make a bigger stop loss. Okay guys, and also here I am seeing the trend line also somewhere like this. Okay, if it is continuously consolidating, I will show you. If this will be the consolidating like this, consolidate, after this is broken, you can make a position, or this will once again came and retest it, then you can make a further two guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the steps, so you can become a trader. Okay guys, so now we can see the USD versus CHF. So I will just shift these. You can expect like this. Okay guys, you can see that continuously consolidating. Here the fake breakdown happened. Your SL has been triggered here only because we have kept a very small SL. You can see here consolidate. Okay guys, after right now what happened is that here exactly you can see here, I will just make it out. So here you can see here exactly taken resistance and came downside. Okay guys, so right now what we can do is that here we can expect that it will be the act as one of the supporting areas, just supposingly. Okay guys, and here also you can see like this something trend line is making. Okay guys, if it will consolidate somewhere here only and broken, then you can expect your first, second, third target is. These are the three target in upside momentum. In downside, if taken resistance, you can expect your first, second and even third target guys. Okay guys, these are the USD versus CHF target guys. Hope you can listening and making a focus on it, how I am taking the supports and how I am seeing the trend lines and what are the psychology behind it. Okay guys, we can see for next euro versus GBP. Okay guys, in euro versus GBP what happened is that these are the level for previous to previous week. Okay guys, so what right now you can see here guys, because of here the some of the buyers has been came, so that's why here only continuously resistance has been established right now. So we can see that it will act as one of the major resistance area. If it once again take a resistance from here, you can expect your first target, second, third and even fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside. In upside you can see that your first target will be somewhere here, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in euro versus GBP. In AUD versus US dollar guys, you can see here what happened. I have told you this will be the act as major supporting areas and taken, and right now one-sided momentum has been came here. Okay guys, somewhere here only, just a second. So here like this channel pattern has been going on, so I will just draw it for you. So somewhere here only you can also make here one of the major supporting areas, so you can get it properly. Okay guys, you have to see that if once again it will consolidating and came downside, then it will act as a resistance somewhere here only and here only consolidate. If it doesn't consolidate, okay guys, if it has to came downside and take support, then you can expect your first target, up till here, second target. Okay guys, if it will came downside and take somewhere support, it will act as a resistance, take a resistance, and here only consolidate and goes on. Okay guys, if it will broken and taking resistance, then you can expect for downside momentum your first target and second target. Okay guys, these are the two target only for here guys, because here channel pattern is going on, so that's why I have taken a very minimal targets. Hope you like this video guys. Please go and subscribe my channel too guys. You can see here AUD versus CHF also. In AUD versus CHF, what happened is that right now it is acting as one of the major resistance area from here. Okay guys, I will just show you here. This will be the acting as major resistance area because of previous only it's making, not from here only. So this is that will acting as a major resistance area, so we can expect that this will be the area of supporting. Okay guys, so right now what we have to do is that if it will once again came downside, and right now this is the defending area, your first target will be here only, and you have to take your position area, and your SL will be here, very small SL, and this has to broken, this will be broken, then you can expect your huge profit, your second and even third and your fourth target is. Okay guys, in upside, in downside AUD versus CHF, you can see that in downside it will be the first target somewhere, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in AUD versus CHF. And now NSD versus US dollar guys, you can see here guys, it is also making a one of the major supporting areas like this. So I will just keep it like that only, and from here you can see, just a second, you can see here. Okay, like this the market is behaving, and from downside, just a second, from downside it's making like this somewhere. This is also a channel pattern only guys, but you have to aware that this will act as supporting area, one of the major. Why is that? Because here buyer are so much dominating, so that's why once again it came and somewhere here only taken support. Our first and second target will be here guys. If once again it will came downside and taking resistance from here, it will consolidate or came downside up till here. Okay guys, if it will came downside and broken this taking support, then you can go for up till here. Okay guys, these are the points for NSD versus US dollar. So hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Also I will make every week forex pairs analysis. Go and check out also there. Our accuracy is 90 to 95% guys. I will upload daily some of the knowledgeable video, so you can subscribe to my channel guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys.